Hello, valued listener. Thank you for tuning into the Eco Farms and Agri Services channel. One of the greatest challenges we faced in our early days in agriculture is finding the right experience and the right people to guide us in some of the challenges we were facing in every area of our farm, in every area of our business. But today, because we have learned it, we're realizing that the best way to share, the best way to communicate, and the best way is to also share. In sharing, we are able to help others like us who are struggling with farm management, the right agronomic management. And it's in true sharing we can commit to helping each other. So please, we encourage you to share, we encourage you to subscribe, we encourage you to bring others to learn from what you're gaining for. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Oilam Damlamiri. I am an agronomist at Eco Farms and Agri Services Limited. Today we'll be talking about the insect pests and diseases affecting the tomato plant and also how we can treat them. So for the insect pests affecting tomato plants, today we'll be studying three. We have the aphids, we have whiteflies, and we have leaf miners. So for the treatment of aphids and whiteflies, they affect the fruits and development of the plant. So for aphids, we treat with insecticides that have certain percentage of a particular active ingredient. So for aphids and whiteflies, we have insecticides that have high volume of amamectin, cypermethrin, profenifos, and then acetamiprid, which should be above 50 grams per volume. And then for the leaf miners, which initially it affects the leaves, then from the leaves the stem, and then it goes to the fruits. Where you see the fruits, they have the larva of the leaf miners coming out. So for the leaf miners, you use spiotetramats at 70 grams per volume, and then flubendamides at above 90 grams per volume. Then we'll talk about the organic approach to dealing with aphids, whiteflies, and leaf miners. For the organic approach, you use insecticides that have high volume of neem oil inside. That's neem-based insecticides. That's the one we use for the organic approach to treatment of aphids, whiteflies, and leaf miners. And then for the disease, we have wilting, fusarium wilt, and then you talk about the micronutrient deficiencies which affect the plants. It's not entirely a disease, but it makes the plant susceptible to disease attack by insects and pests. So for the disease, we treat with fungicide, which has high. For the treatment chemical approach, we treat with copper oxide. Treat with insecticide that has copper oxide that's at above 50 grams per volume. Then fusarium, we treat with the same thing. And then for the organic approach, you treat with insecticide that has phosphonic acid at above 500 grams per volume. And then for the nutrient deficiency, you incorporate the nutrient, the lacking nutrient, when you are fertigating at probably minute quantity, depending on how severe the deficiency is. And then you apply at times. You do from the nursery. When you notice from the nursery, it needs there is a deficiency, you apply a little in minute quantity so that it won't burn the plant and or have adverse effects on the plant. We have other factors which subject the plants to, which make the plants open up to break, which is micronutrient deficiency. A plant might not be diseased, but if there is a deficiency of micronutrients, it can make the plant susceptible to attack by disease and also pests. So for the micronutrient deficiency, it is advised to incorporate the micronutrients in the fertilizer used from the nursery process so that when they grow up, they don't really need much of the micronutrients. Okay, that will be all for today. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow our channel. Thank you.